Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sam's Rural Productions. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up a package that I got off eBay. So let's get into that, shall we? I've already crossed off my name so the internet creeps can't find me. Dang, what did they do to this box? It's like they cut it open from the side and then taped it. It's kind of weird. And there's a box inside of a box. Oh no. What is that? That's weird. It's kind of just like this little part in here. It's not part of the main box. That's weird. Smells like the previous owner was an ash or a smoker. An asher. Doesn't make sense. There we go. At least the box does. There we go. It's packaged very well, so that's good. And how do I open this? It really does smell like smoke cigarettes. Oh, I'm gonna like spray this in cologne or something. That's nasty. So anyways, it's in a Rivarossi GG1, but not just any Rivarossi GG1. It comes with DCC, and I got it for $80. GG1. So yeah, let's open it. Oh, here, just open on the other side. DCC. Yeah, it says DCC on the side. I've never owned a GG1 before, so it's pretty cool. I'll have some decent weight to it. So as let's find out what decoder it has. It comes with all the papers too. So it has DCC, Digitrax decoder, DH16D. I don't know what that means. I don't know what any of them means. Yeah, I move this into frame. Does this come up? Oh, they do come up. That's cool. I can make my own Congressional Limited, or what's it called? I remember the other one's called Federal Express. How to take it apart, that'll come in handy. Another how to take it apart, where the motor is. Now I know what you're all here for, so let's put this on track, see what it does. I don't know what it's programmed to, so that'll be an experience. Okay, I got it in the tracks here, and now we're gonna have to figure out what the decoder is programmed to. I'll probably end up programming it to 4929 on for the locomotive, but just for now, let's figure out what it is. I'm just gonna, I think they're programmed already to start at 3, so let's go ahead and do that. 3, there we go. 0 is the headlight. What's going on? It's weird. 0 is the headlight. Yep, this must be it then. The back, does that have directional lighting? Oh, started it up. Sounds like it still needs to either to be oiled or run in a little bit. But I'm surprised how smooth it is actually. And it's a headlight. Let's see if we got reverse here. Actually runs better in reverse. Or forward, I guess it could be either. It runs really good in reverse or forward, whatever it is. I think it's actually forward because my controller on here seems to be messed up. Or reverse is going forward from my other DCC logos, this one. And forward would be the reverse for that one, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm happy with this. This was only $80 too. Let's put one of the pantographs up. And it has directional lighting too. Yeah, it seems to be only in this direction, so maybe it just needs a little bit of work on it. Let's put some cars behind it. Well, anyways, guys, I would say this is one of the best purchases I've ever made. I will leave the link for the specific locomotive. They had a Brunswick green one too. I'll leave the link for this one and the Brunswick green one in the description. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.